Welcome to RIT with PowerPoint Part 5. Online contents for course on computer concept. We will learn about making small presentations. Part 5. In PowerPoint, we will learn following objectives. To select a setup for slide notes, handout and outline. Steps to do this task are as follows. On the file menu, click page setup. In sized for box, click the option you want from the drop down list and enter the measurements you want in the width and height boxes. Under orientation of slides, click portrait or landscape. All slides in presentation must be in one orientation. Under notes, handout and outline, click portrait or landscape. Printing slide and handouts. You can print your entire presentation. Example, the slides, outline, notes and audience handouts in color, grayscale or pure black and white. You can also print specific slide, handouts, notes page or outline pages. Handouts are basically thumbnails of slides printed together on a sheet of paper such that they also provide some space next to the thumbnails for notes to be written printed. Handouts are often printed to be sent for review to those who matter before and the actual presentation is shown to an audience. During the presentation itself, handout can be distributed to the audience. To get hard copy of slide and or handouts, follow the given step. Select file which you want to print. Click at the file menu bar. Click at the print option from the file menu bar. Then the print dialog box will appear. In the print what box, click the item you want to print. If you select handouts, you can select a number of slides per page and whether the order should be horizontal or vertical. To print, select slide from the print what box. Select any other option you want. Click OK. Running a slideshow. The final step after making presentation to have a view over the show. Example, slideshow. In slideshow, the contents of your presentation is shown on full screen. You can start slideshow in any of the following methods. First, click slideshow at the lower left corner to the PowerPoint window. Method second, on the slideshow menu, click view show. Method third, on the view menu, click the slideshow. Method fourth, press F5. You can also monitor over range of the slides to be presented in the slideshow and whether slides should be moved automatically or manually. To set these features, the steps are following. Click Add Slideshow from the menu bar. Click at the Setup Show option. The Setup Show dialog box will appear. Select the range from the following two options, including all the slides in your slideshow, including only the range of slides you enter in the from and to boxes in your slideshow. Type the beginning and ending slide number in the form and to boxes. Click the way you want to move from one slide to next during a slideshow, either manually or automatically. Click at OK button. Transition and timing. Slide transition gives you the facilities to add some more visual interest to your presentation or how one slide should go from the screen and with what effects the next slide comes on the screen. Slide transition. To add transition to a slideshow, follow the given step. In slide view or slide sorter view, select the slide or slide you want to add a transition to. On the slideshow menu, click Slide Transition. In the effect box, click the transition you want and then select any other option you want. To apply the transition to the selected slide, click Apply. To apply the transition to all the slide, click Apply to all. Repeat the process for each slide you want to add a transition. To view the transition on the slideshow menu, click Animation Preview. Preview animation and transition effect in a slide. Display the slide you want to preview on the slideshow menu. Click Animation Preview. The transition and animation play in the Animation Preview window that appear. To replay the effects, click the Animation Preview window. To preview animation on multiple slides, switch to Slide Sorter view. Select the slide you want to preview and then click Animation Preview on the slideshow menu. To set a time manually, follow the given steps. In normal view or slide sorter view, select the slide or slide you want to set the timing for. On the slideshow menu, click Slide Transition. Under Audience, click Automatically After and then enter the number of seconds you want to slide to appear on the screen. To apply the timing to selected slide, click Apply. To apply the timing to all the slide, click Apply to all. Repeat the process for each slide you want to set the timing for. To view the timing, click Slideshow at the lower left of the PowerPoint windows. Set timing for a slideshow. If you don't want to manually move through a slideshow, there are two ways you can set the length of time a slide appear on the screen. One way is to set a time manually for each slide and then run the slideshow and view the timing you set. The other way is to use the rehearsal features where you can record timing automatically as you rehearse. You can also adjust the timing you have already set and then rehearse the new ones. To set slide timing automatically while rehearsing, follow the given step. Open the slideshow menu from menu bar. Click rehearse timing to start the show in rehearsal mode. You can use the bottom buttons in the rehearsal dialog box to pause between slides, restart a slide and advance to the next slide. PowerPoint keeps track of how long each slide appears and set the timing accordingly. Click the Audience Advance button when you are ready to go to the next slide. When you reach the end of the slideshow, click Yes to accept the timing or No to try again. Presentation of the slides. PowerPoint Part 5. The End.